Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card using the Wishes and Wonder bundle. So for this card I've got the supplies right here, and I'm using the 'Tis the Season Designer Series paper. I've already stamped and cut out the sleigh. And here is the stamp set right here with the dies. So we've got this sleigh and we've got this little stamp, special delivery, and the reindeer. There's the die to cut out the reindeer. We've got these leaves right here and the die to cut those out. And then we've got these fun dies here and this tag die. And then we've got these fun little dots here and a circle die, which is nice. Always nice to have circle dies, and this cuts out the sleigh. And then for the paper, 'Tis the Season paper, we have lots of fun designs in here. We've got cherry cobbler, garden green, and shaded express paper, trees, candy canes, plaids, bells, different designs, holly. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to stamp these leaves everywhere. So I'm going to grab a little scrap paper here, and I'm going to use crumb cake. So I'm just going to randomly stamp these all over. And I'm gonna turn that one didn't turn out so great. So I am going to turn my card over. Make sure that I'm stamping straight up and straight down. That looks much better. And we're going to just randomly stamp all over the card. I'm going to turn the leaf, do all different angles. And then for fun, I am going to add some Wink of Stella to the leaves to add some bling. So I'm just gonna squeeze a little bit and just color all these leaves with the Wink of Stella and get some bling on these leaves. The Wink of Stella is just great for adding bling and glitter to your cards, to your embellishments, to anything that you put on the card. It's just a great staple to have around. So I'm just going to color all of these leaves, and in person it just looks amazing. A little bit hard to see on camera, but when I'm done coloring I will show you what it looks like. Color this one down here and this last one over here. This one's starting to run out because I use this so much. Love Wink of Stella. It's like one of the best things you can buy in the catalog. All right, did I color this one? I don't think I did. Gotta color this one too. Okay, and it dries really quickly. Let's see if you can see the Wink of Stella. A little bit of shimmer on there. Okay, so now I am going to add the tag and this fun circle from the 'Tis the Season Designer Series paper. But first I'm going to color and stamp our sentiment. So to color, I decided to use a watercolor pencil, a red watercolor pencil from our watercolor pencil collection. And I'm just gonna color in the seats back here. And I'm just gonna bring in some color. I'm not gonna worry about getting it perfect. I'm just gonna get some red color in here, because I'm gonna come back with a blender pen and I'm gonna blend this all in nicely. I just want to get some color around the edges of the sleigh here. Just going to go all the way around, add some color. And then I'm going to grab this blender pen and the magic happens. It just blends the red together beautifully. And then everything is all nicely colored and looks perfect. Perfectly colored. And then it's cool because you can just kind of blend the color out into the white. Looks kind of shaded in there. Shaded out into the white. Looks pretty cool. All right, so there's our sleigh. Now let's stamp our sentiment in shaded spruce. So we've got this really long sentiment. So ink it up diagonally, and we'll get this on here. All right, so now we're going to put this together. Some dimensionals. And we'll put a dimensional right here on this one. And I'll put some in the middle of this. And then I will cut up some dimensionals for happiest season. And then I've got some gold cord that I'm gonna add to the card here, to the tag. And we'll just tie a knot at the top. And we'll put this card all together. So we'll place this about here. Add our fun little circle here. And we'll add our sleigh over here. And we'll add our sentiment. Down here. It's super long, so I'm gonna trim it just a tiny bit on each side. So it's not quite so long. I'm gonna tuck it in here too. Not yet. Kind of hard to tuck. So I'll go like this. There we go. All right, so there's our card, finished and done. I'm offering a card kit on the Wishes and Wonder bundle, and it consists of 6 cards. So you get 2 of each of these cards. And all you have to do is go to my website, elainescreations.net, and enter my November hostess code and place a $30 order, and you will get this card kit for free. Just send me an email, elaine@elainescreations.net, and let me know that you would like the Wishes and Wonder card kit. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. Thanks so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.